So why is it that you want to be here taking this course? Why waste your time? Well, first of all, Selenium is the #1 automation testing tool in the world. Check out this Google Trends graph down here. For some of you that are not familiar with Google Trends, Google, right, is the #1 search engine in the world. I feel like everybody knows that. So when people go there and search for different terms, Google creates these trends of how these terms are searched over time. And a search in something obviously means an interest in something, right? And so this is how interested people are in a certain topic over time. And you guys can see I pulled up some of the best automation testing tools out there, like Selenium, QTP Water, Ranorex, and SoapUI. And if you guys take a look at the blue line, which is Selenium, and the red line, which is QTP, the second most popular automation testing tool in the world right now, look at this freaking gap. That's not even a comparison. Selenium is #1 by far. The community is the largest. The employers are the most interested in Selenium. And if you want an amazing future, that is where you need to go. No questions asked. As you guys can see, Selenium is better than QTP and SoapUI, and the others didn't even stand a chance. The other reason why you need to learn Selenium is because it is open source, meaning that it's free. It costs nothing. Employers love free. When you tell them there's an open source tool that you can use, and that tool is #1 in the world, they will go crazy. They will be like, oh man, this automation engineer is awesome. He's trying to save me money and he's doing a great job doing automated software testing. So I'm going to keep him around and I'm going to give him a raise because this guy or girl is so freaking awesome. And obviously, Selenium popularity keeps growing. As you guys saw this chart, it just keeps growing and growing, and it just keeps becoming more popular. So with all of that said, Selenium simply gets you jobs. Because it's so popular, because it's so great and so free, Selenium is the tool, automation testing tool that you want to use to get yourselves jobs. In fact, what I did was I went to Indeed.com. Indeed.com and Dice.com. You guys know those, right? Dice.com is like the #1 tech job blog out there where you search for jobs. And I searched for Selenium jobs in California, and I searched for QTP jobs in California. You can see that 332 Selenium positions came up and only 107 positions for QTP came up, which means that 3 Selenium jobs for every 1 QTP job, and QTP is the #2 most popular testing tool. Is that crazy? But there's 3 Selenium jobs for every one of those. So that's how awesome this tool is that it's going to land you jobs. It's going to give you security. You're going to be able to take the skills that you learn at this course and be able to take them anywhere, and you will be the top dog at every single job that you go to. I freaking guarantee it. Another reason why you need to learn Selenium and why you need to take this course is that Selenium is just straight up cool. You can see the job trends from Indeed.com, and the job trends show how many jobs there are available for Indeed.com. And you can just see that it's growing, right? As the stats that you saw before was that there was 3 Selenium jobs for every 1 QTP job, and it's still even growing. Look at that trend. How awesome is that? It's just becoming more and more popular. And the final reason that you need to learn Selenium WebDriver and automated software testing is just being an SDET is freaking awesome. We make a 6-figure salary, and our job is just fun. We have jobs, we have job security, and SDETs are so high in demand, and they will continue to be in demand as the IT industry grows. As the IT industry goes through the shift left phenomenon where it's doing more and more automated software testing, you guys will be more and more in demand. It's just plain and simple. And it's harder and harder to find a good talent out there, as there is more increase for the job, more demand for the job. The talent cannot keep up with the demand. And so what happens is the people that are really good make an amazing salary and find amazing jobs, and there are a ton of people that are really bad that are just stuck and cannot go anywhere. And so at the end of this course, you guys will be the top 95% that will be able to make these kind of amazing automation testing salaries, anywhere from 130K, 145, 160K. That is what you guys can be making, because you guys literally will be the best once you finish this course.